Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A perm is a process where your hairstylist treats your hair with a chemical to alter the structure and permanently wave or curl your hair. A perm will last approximately 6 months if your home care regimen supports the perm and your hair. There are 2 types of perms, traditional versus thio-free.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The most likely theory, in my opinion, is to do with your hormones. Hormones are a possible trigger for the curly hair gene. The change of muscle tone could affect the shape of your hair follicles and their direction of growth. Straight hair follicles grow straight out, but curly hair follicles have a hook shape.
Let's help you make your mark.
Getting a perm costs anywhere from $40 to $200 on average, but most people will pay around $80. It's a wide price range because there are so many different options and factors. The overall cost depends on your hair's length, the type of perm you get, and whether you opt for a partial or full perm.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.